Are you happy, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of Lalu and Pilu. There was a hen. She had two chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. He loved red things. Pilu was yellow. He loved yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plant and ate it up. His mouth started burning. He shouted, "Oh no! It is a red chili!" The hen and Pilu came there. Pilu brought a yellow laddu. Lalu ate that yellow laddu. His mouth stopped burning. He was happy. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye bye.